some new resolution, and as usual you will not be able to follow that for more than 10 days or 15 days. Isn't it? Hello. How many of you are new joinings? Please raise your hand. Please raise your hand, those who have joined us recently after sport round. Only two?
मैम स्पॉट राउंड क्या नहीं है, CSC B से शिफ्ट करा था A में.
Yes, ma'am.
We had. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
No problem at all.
We have been shifted now.
Okay. So what about the last class? What did you learn? CSCB. Those friends who have been shifted to the CSCA. What about your learning in HVP till now?
Ma'am, we had
Ma'am, only
till now, and it was an introductory class. So there's nothing covered.
Okay. Is it visible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. By the time others join us, बीच में वरना ये लगा ही रहेगा कि एक आ रहे हैं, अभी दो आ रहे हैं. So let's wait for 5 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes, not 5. Meanwhile, we can discuss what is the significance of values in our life. Though already I have discussed this thing in my class, I would like to listen to the new entries. What do you mean by the values and what significance they have in your life?
मैम बच्चे बाहर वेट कर रहे हैं मीटिंग रूम में.
No one is waiting with them. In my list, yes, now Sahil is there. He has been allowed. Yes, Vita. What are the values? What do you mean by values and what is the significance? Mainly, what is the role of values in our life? Suppose if we don't have any values, what would be the result? What would be the scenario of our society, our personal life, our social life? क्या होगा?
There would be a lot of uncertainty and
Good.
Ma'am, values provide goals to our life. If there are no values, the meaning of life would be like meaningless. Nobody would know why they're living and they won't live happy.
Good. And I think in the very first lecture, I asked all of you to write about your values. What values do you have? Am I right? And if you haven't written this till now, you must do it today. You should write down the values you have and what is the impact of those values in your personal and social life. Not beyond that, only in your personal and social life. I think we should go ahead. Maximum have joined us. So, so first of all, value education. For value education, we should know what is value or what are values. Value is a kind of belief that guides the individual action. For example, honesty is a value. So, honesty is a kind of belief that guides our action, that we should be honest in our words, we should be honest in our deeds, we should be honest in our action. We should be honest in our business. We should be honest in our relations. So what is value? Value is a kind of belief that guides the individual action. It means values are common for all. You cannot say that honesty is a value for me, not for you. Okay? Values reflect one's personal attitudes and judgments, decisions and choices, behavior and relationships, dreams and vision. They influence our thoughts, feelings, and actions. Obviously, values reflect one's personal attitudes because our thinking, our thought process is guided by our values. That's why the values reflect one's personal attitudes and judgments. Whatever we decide to do in our life, to achieve in our life, again it is guided, it is directed by the values we have. The behavior and relationships, our behavior with others, our relationships, our dreams and vision. What do we want to achieve? All these are the reflections of our values. They influence our thoughts, they influence our feelings as well as our actions. Value education means inculcating in the children a sense of humanism, a deep concern for the well-being of others and the nation. Now, a very important thing is there. A deep concern for the well-being of others, for self as well as for others, and ultimately the nation. And if we go beyond that, the universe. Value education helps a person to examine and control his behavior. Value education is required to correctly identify the basic aspirations to understand the values that enable us to fulfill the same. Now, you may get confused here. What does it mean? It means that value education is required to correctly identify the basic aspirations. What are our basic aspirations? What do we want in our life? And at the same time, we should understand the values which are required for the fulfillment of these basic aspirations, these basic desires. So this is the main purpose of value education. These are some of the things which reflect how values are significant, values are important in our life. We can go through these things very fast. Values allow the individuals to interact harmoniously with others. Values guide our behavior. They are part of our identity as individuals. Because if someone is very intelligent, we consider that person to be the most intelligent, or to be intelligent, or we see that person with respect. If someone is honest, again we respect that person. So they are part of our identity. the particular values become our identity. They show us how to behave and how not to behave when we are faced with desires or impulses. They are like a compass that helps us behave consistently regardless of the situation. These are our values which guide us in crucial situations, that guide us in problems. Whenever we are in a dilemma, these are our values are there to help us to behave consistently. We don't get distracted because of these values. For example, if you get a chance to cheat someone, you will not cheat that person if you have values. If you find the wallet of someone lying on the road, you will pick that, you will try to locate the person and hand over the same to him. But if you don't have values, अगर वो पर्सन सामने से आ भी रहे हैं तब भी आप उसको हाइड कर लेंगे एंड यू विल डिनाई दैट यू हैव गॉट और यू हैव फाउंड अ वॉलेट ऑन द रोड. अगर आपके सामने ऐसा सिचुएशन है जो बहुत ज़्यादा टेम्पटिंग है, इन दैट केस टू इफ यू हैव वैल्यूज योर बिहेवियर विल बी consistent. Values guide our actions and determine for us what is good or bad. Now, need for value education. क्यों है वैल्यू एजुकेशन की? क्योंकि ये सारी वैल्यू, सच बोलो, झूठ मत बोलो, चोरी मत करो, किसी को परेशान मत करो, बड़ों की रिस्पेक्ट करो, ये सब तो हमें पहले से सिखाया जाता है. Then what's the need for value education? Because in today's time of so much competition, we have left these things far behind. In our families, in our society, in our schools, and this thing is affecting our life, affecting our career, and affecting this society. So, value education aims at turning out people who could tell right from wrong, who know why something is right or otherwise, who would do the right thing. Now this right word is very important. आप देख भी सकते हैं तीनों ही sentences में the word right is there. Because it is this right that gives us the significance, that gives us the importance, that gives us the uprightness. Significance of value education first point, build such human beings that possess strength, integrity, and fortitude. Value education teaches the difference between right and wrong. It helps in promoting harmony and peace, because if values are not there, if value education is not there, values will not be there, and if values are not there, there will be disharmony. And this disharmony will not be there in society only. This disharmony will be there within self as well. Kaise? We'll discuss it later. It inculcates real education. It brings unity in diversity, and our country is the best example for it. But at present, you might have observed that this unity is getting disintegrated. Gives us some time to take rest from busy schedule and think. It prevents us from being mechanical, power-hungry bottom feeders. Again, some more points are there. We can miss these. And now we should move to this part. Types of values. First of all, we have static values. Static values are those features of a work that contribute to its success and importance as a work of art. The features upon which its significance or beauty supervene. And these aesthetic values are the form, content, integrity, harmony, purity और fittingness of works. इसमें अभी हम डिटेल में नहीं जा रहे हैं. We should move to this one, personal. Personal values are the things that are important to us. The characteristics and behaviors that motivate us and guide our decisions. जो मैंने अभी आपको कहा, आपको लिखना है अपनी पर्सनल वैल्यूज, आपको ये पर्सनल वैल्यूज के बारे में लिखना है. What personal values do you have? लेकिन ये सिर्फ इतने ही नहीं है. There is a long list. ये तो सिर्फ आपको कुछ एग्जाम्पल के लिए दिया है. You can pick or you can identify any personal value you have beyond these and write it. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
If you have any doubt or any question, please ask. You can raise your hand and ask the question. Okay. So personal values are the things that motivate us and guide our decisions. Then we have social values. Social values are a set of principles that are morally acceptable by society. Because we have to live in society. चलिए यहाँ पे एक पहले एक क्वेश्चन आपसे पूछ लेती हूँ. बहुत पहले से एक टर्म चली आ रही है that says, जब हम बहुत पहले ऐसे आपने शायद नहीं पढ़ा होगा या पढ़ा भी अगर होगा, man is a social. What is the definition? Man is a
social animal.
Social animal.
social animal. Do you agree with this term?
Yes, ma'am.
Agree?
Yes, ma'am.
No.
Who is saying no? Who is saying no, beta?
Mama.
Yes, who is saying no, beta? Please come ahead. क्या होगा बेटा? ये होगा ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा आप जो आप कह रहे हैं वो गलत होगा या सही होगा. एंड द मेन पर्पस ऑफ दिस वैल्यू एजुकेशन इज टू टेल यू व्हाट इज राइट, व्हाट इज रॉन्ग. सो प्लीज डोंट हेजिटेट. This is interactive class and all of you have to participate. All of you have to interact. Yes, who was saying no? The person जिसने भी कहा है वो बच्चा बिल्कुल राइट है. Because we are no more social animals. Now we are human beings. लेकिन वापस हम सोशल एनिमल्स बनते चले जा रहे हैं. सोशल एनिमल्स हम तब थे व्हेन आवर इवोल्यूशन स्टार्टेड, व्हेन वी बिगेन टू डिफरेंशिएट आवरसेल्व्स फ्रॉम एनिमल्स. वहाँ से हमने अपने आप को अलग करना शुरू किया था. एट दैट टाइम वी वर सोशल एनिमल्स, बट एट प्रेजेंट वी आर नॉट. अभी आप क्या अपने आप को क्या कहलाना चाहेंगे? ह्यूमन बीइंग और सोशल एनिमल? प्लीज बी फास्ट. सोशल एनिमल और ह्यूमन बीइंग?
But ma'am.
यस प्लीज. सोशल एनिमल और ह्यूमन बीइंग?
क्या चीज बतानी है मैम?
आप अपने आप को क्या कहलवाना पसंद करोगे? सोशल एनिमल और ह्यूमन बीइंग?
Human being.
Human being.
Obviously human being. And
Ma'am, we are humans. who need socializing to survive.
Yes.
And we are human beings who need socializing to survive in this world.
Yes, exactly. That's why we have to follow certain social values as well, because we have to survive in this society. We have to live in harmony with this society also. We cannot live in isolation.
Hmm.
अभी कोरोना टाइम में आप लोगों ने देखा होगा, जिन लोगों को सबसे बड़ा डर लोगों को क्या था कि अगर हमें कोविड डिटेक्ट हो गया, विल बी सेंट इनटू आइसोलेशन, हमें आइसोलेशन में भेज दिया जाएगा, और वो एक बहुत बड़ी लोगों को पनिशमेंट लग रहा था। ठीक है।
Yes, ma'am.
रीजन, वी कांट लिव अलोन। वो तो तब है कंडीशन जब लोगों के पास फोन भी था, पूरी फैसिलिटीज भी थी। सोचिए अगर आपको कोई भी चीज ना दी जाए टू इंटरेक्ट विद अदर्स, यू डोंट हैव एनी मोबाइल, यू डोंट हैव एनीवन टू टॉक टू, यू डोंट हैव एनी टेलीविजन, you don't have any newspaper, can you live alone? No. And for our requirements, for our needs, again we have to depend upon society. That's why we to maintain the harmony in our society, we have to follow certain social values as well. So social values are a set of principles that are morally acceptable by society. These principles are created by the dynamics of the community, institutions in the society, traditions and cultural beliefs of the people in the society. And these are the values: accountability, collective responsibility, education, fairness, honesty, humanity, etc. Then we have moral values. Moral values are your individual values. Yes, Aishima?
Ma'am, in social values, there it is written fairness. Ma'am, in fairness and like
Fairness means
face.
fairness. No. Fairness here means being honest, having clarity, having being fair in your deeds, being fair in your actions.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. So moral values are your individual values about what you think is right or wrong. And at present, the maximum confusion is there in these moral values. आपने एग्जाम में भी देखा होगा, बहुत सारे बच्चे, अभी ऑनलाइन क्लासेस चल रही हैं, ऑनलाइन एग्जाम्स भी हुए हैं। ऑनलाइन एग्जाम्स में काफ़ी बच्चों को क्या लगता है, ठीक है अगर हमें मौका मिल रहा है बुक देखने का या थोड़ा चीट करने का, तो क्यों ना कर लें, उससे क्या होगा, अच्छे मार्क्स मिल जाएंगे, सभी लोग कर रहे हैं। हाउ कैन यू से सभी लोग कर रहे हैं? If you have these moral values, you will not do that. So moral values are individual values which guide you to decide what is right, what is wrong, according to your set of values, according to your beliefs. Moral values provide the foundation from which you make decisions. अब आपने एग्जाम्स में देखा होगा, क्योंकि बच्चों के लिए सबसे अच्छा एग्जाम्पल होता है एग्जाम्स। ठीक है, आपको कोई आंसर नहीं आता, फिर भी आप किसी दूसरे बच्चे से भी नहीं पूछ पाते, और कॉपी चीटिंग तो आप कर ही नहीं सकते। लेकिन दूसरी तरफ आप देखते हैं, देयर आर सम स्टूडेंट्स जो इजीली प्रिपरेशन कर सकते हैं, लेकिन वो नहीं कर रहे हैं। दे ऑलवेज चीट इन द एग्जामिनेशन। रीजन, moral values. Morals are learned from your parents and your experiences. अब देखिए, ये जो रेगुलरिटी है और पंक्चुअलिटी है, दैट इज ऑल्सो अ वैल्यू। प्रियांशु टंडन इज एंटरिंग द क्लास नाउ एट 1:57. Now, traditional Indian values. These are traditional Indian values: truth, beauty, goodness, spirituality, simplicity, tolerance, non-violence, pursuit of truth. अब मुझे आप जल्दी से एक चीज़ बताइए, अभी इनमें से कौन सी ऐसी वैल्यू है जिसकी वजह से सोसाइटी में सबसे ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम है? जल्दी से, आउट ऑफ दीज इंडियन वैल्यूज, ट्रेडिशनल इंडियन वैल्यूज,
ब्यूटी,
मैम टॉलरेंस,
टॉलरेंस,
टॉलरेंस एंड
लैक ऑफ
ब्यूटी, नहीं,
and beauty.
स्पेशल
परस्यूट ऑफ ट्रूथ भी होगा।
मोस्ट
रेसिज्म भी तो चल रहा है।
ट्रुथ भी है, ट्रुथ एंड टॉलरेंस, टॉलरेंस इज एट द टॉप, इनटॉलरेंस इज देयर। अगर मैं भी डांटना शुरू कर दूं अगर रिपीटेडली एक या दो क्लास में, नेक्स्ट क्लास में आपको लगेगा कि मैम तो बहुत खराब है, हमेशा हमें डांटती रहती हैं। You will not try to realize what is the reason, because intolerance is there. Okay. So, intolerance, non-violence, every day we go through the news, a number of news, a number of cases, a number of incidents, जहाँ मैटर मनी नहीं कर रहा था, कोई और चीज नहीं कर रही थी, आपकी प्रॉपर्टी नहीं थी, कुछ नहीं था, रीजन non-violence, intolerance, impatience. Okay. Now, next we have constitution values. Constitution values: democracy, socialism, equality and secularism. जल्दी से बताइए, ये जो चारों पिक्चर्स इनमें से कौन सी पिक्चर किसके साथ मैच करेगी? आपके लिए छोटी सी एक्सरसाइज है, क्योंकि मैं अपने इस क्लास को पूरा थियोरेटिकल नहीं बनाना चाहती, और ये थियोरेटिकल हो भी नहीं सकता, बिकॉज यू हैव टू लर्न, यू हैव टू इम्प्लीमेंट इट। और
सेकंड वाली तो इक्वालिटी,
सेकंड वाली इक्वालिटी,
सेक्युलरिज्म।
वेरी गुड, चलिए सेकंड वन,
First one democracy.
फर्स्ट वन इज
First one is socialism and last one
Socialism.
is democracy.
थर्ड वन,
लास्ट वाली
Third one, secularism.
थर्ड वन इज सेक्युलरिज्म, फर्स्ट वन इज सोशलिज्म। ओके, इसको क्या हुआ, ये मूव क्यों नहीं कर रही है? यस, this is secularism and this is equality. Our constitutional values are mainly these four values are our constitutional values, because our constitution ensures these four things: democracy, socialism, secularism and equality. Now, universal core values. Universal core values: truth, right conduct और righteous conduct भी आप इसको बोल सकते हैं, but it can be considered as right conduct also. Non-violence, love, justice, world peace, human right, and universal brotherhood. Now, out of these, first five are the core basic वैल्यूज, जो कई बार शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चन में भी आते हैं। हाउ मेनी कोर वैल्यूज आर देयर? 5. आउट ऑफ दीज विच इज नॉट अ कोर वैल्यू, इनमें से इनके अलावा अगर कुछ एक्स्ट्रा अगर है तो उसको आप आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, सो ट्रुथ, राइट कंडक्ट, नॉन वायलेंस, लव एंड जस्टिस, दीज 5 आर द बेसिक universal values which are acceptable all over the universe. These are desirable: world peace, human right, and universal brotherhood, because these can be ensured by following these. If we have justice, we can ensure human rights. If we have love and non-violence, if we have right conduct, we can ensure universal brotherhood and world peace. If non-violence is there, world peace can be ensured. Okay. Another classification of values: terminal values. What are terminal values, beta? लिखा है सामने, the values people want to achieve in their lifetime. आप में से बताइए, आप रैंडमली मैं किसी से भी पूछ लेती हूँ. यस, आर्यन सिंह. आर्यन, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Aryan. What do you want to achieve in your life? Fast. We are left with only 6 minutes.
मैम अभी तक तो कुछ नहीं सोचा.
Okay. Next one, Anushka. Anushka Arora. Yes, Anushka.
Yes.
What do you want to achieve in your life?
I'm a happy and
Happiness.
healthy life.
Okay.
Happy and
Manish
healthy
Yadav.
life.
Good. Manish. Aditya. Aditya Kumar. Yes, Aditya. Anyway. All of us want to achieve knowledge and intelligence. आप में से कोई है जो ये चाहते हैं कि उसके पास नॉलेज और इंटेलिजेंस ना हो? No. Then recognition, name and fame. Everybody wants these. Recognition, name and fame in the society. Peace and harmony in the world. Security, liberty from threats. Any kind of threat. फिजिकल, मेंटल, फाइनेंशियल, किसी भी तरीके की कोई थ्रेट हम नहीं चाहते अपनी लाइफ में. Prosperity and wealth. Everlasting friendship. Then we have instrumental values. Instrumental values are the values that are related to the resources for achieving terminal values. अब आप इसमें देखिए, we want to achieve prosperity and wealth. We want to achieve security and liberty from threats. We want to achieve peace and harmony in world. We want to achieve recognition, name, fame, success, a lot of money. We want to achieve knowledge and intelligence. To achieve all these things, again we need some values. And the values which help us in achieving these terminal values are instrumental values. Self-sufficiency and self-determination, truthfulness and honesty, hard work and accomplishment, cooperation and care, because if we are cooperative and careful, caring for others, not careful, caring for others, we can ensure एवरलास्टिंग फ्रेंडशिप. आप में से कितने स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो ये चाहते हैं कि आपकी फ्रेंडशिप सिर्फ 2 दिन के लिए, 4 दिन के लिए या 1 सेमेस्टर के लिए हो? जल्दी से बताइए. डू यू वांट टू हैव एवरलास्टिंग फ्रेंडशिप और टेम्परेरी फ्रेंडशिप?
एवरलास्टिंग फ्रेंडशिप.
एवरलास्टिंग. क्या आपके स्कूल के फ्रेंड्स हैं, उनको आप भूल चुके हैं अभी?
No, ma'am.
No, फिलहाल तो याद.
So how can you ensure that? By being cooperative and caring, by being honest in your relations. ठीक है. लेकिन अगर आप अपने रिलेशंस में ऑनेस्ट नहीं है, क्या होगा? आपकी फ्रेंडशिप कितने दिन चलेगी? आप अपने फ्रेंड को झूठ बोलते रहते हैं कि मैंने अभी कुछ भी नहीं पढ़ा है, मेरे पास ये नोट्स भी नहीं है, मेरे पास ये भी नहीं है, मेरे पास ये भी नहीं है, मैंने भी कुछ नहीं किया, वो उसी इंप्रेशन में है. Whenever he needs you, needs your help, you are not there. क्या आपकी फ्रेंडशिप चलेगी? No. So Helping others, so helpfulness, that is also instrumental value. Open-mindedness, receptivity to new ideas, positive approach and positive thinking. Then we have programs for developing values. कहाँ से हमें values मिलती हैं, कहाँ हम इनको develop कर सकते हैं. Community prayers, health and cleanliness programs, ये अलग-अलग चीजें हैं. Will not go into this. Now basic guidelines for value education. This will do. इसके जस्ट बाद 10 मिनट की आपकी क्लास अभी बाकी है, तो आप लोग इसकी जैसे ये खत्म होती है इसके बाद आप रिजॉइन करेंगे and we'll complete this basic guidelines only. And in next class we'll go ahead with the process of value education. Remember, that is very important, process of value education. वो सिर्फ पढ़ने के लिए नहीं, एग्जाम के लिए नहीं, आपकी पूरी लाइफ के लिए वो बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. ठीक है, सो प्लीज़ बी अटेंटिव, बी रेगुलर. और जैसे ही क्लास खत्म होती है प्लीज़ रिजॉइन. तब तक बताइए व्हाट इज़ योर लर्निंग टिल नाउ. Any feedback? Any feedback? Arushi? Should I start? Okay. By the time others join us, let me explain the evaluation process. This IGP course is of 100 marks. Out of 100, 30 marks are there for the sessional midterm examination, and remaining 70 will be awarded to you on the basis of your attendance, your performance and participation in regular lectures, your assignments, practice sessions, and the project you will have to work on. After your midterm examination, all of you will be given a project. आपको अलग-अलग प्रोजेक्ट्स मिलेंगे जो आपको ग्रुप में कंप्लीट करने हैं. So 70 marks will be awarded on the basis of these things. ठीक है. And remember, remaining 30 that are for the sessionals, you can score maximum out of 30 only when you are participative in your class. क्योंकि ये वैल्यू एजुकेशन या जो भी इसका पूरा कंटेंट है उसको आप सिर्फ बुक से नहीं पढ़ सकते. उसको आप उसके लिए आपको क्लास में प्रेजेंट होना, पार्टिसिपेट करना ज़रूरी है. सिर्फ प्रेजेंट होना भी ज़रूरी नहीं कि आपने क्लास ज्वाइन किया उसके बाद आप बैठे हैं. इट विल नॉट डू, इट विल नॉट वर्क. You have to participate. You have to ask questions. You have to answer the questions. You have to clear your doubts. Is it clear?
Excuse. Which
Yes,
book should
madam.
we refer? Ma'am, which book should we refer?
I think these notes will be enough to you, but still if you want a book, HEP, Human Values and Profession Ethics by Ishwar Singh. ईश्वर सिंह, वो आप ले सकते हैं. ठीक है. उसमें आपको कंप्लीट सिलेबस उसका मिल जाएगा. लैंग्वेज इजी है तो आप ठीक से उसको पढ़ के समझ भी सकते हैं. बट स्टिल उसका कंटेंट भी आपको समझ में तभी आ पाएगा व्हेन यू आर पार्टिसिपेटिव इन क्लास. रिमेंबर, आई रिपीट द वर्ड पार्टिसिपेटिव. ओके. So basic guidelines for value education. First of all, natural and verifiable. It has to be naturally acceptable to the human being who goes through the course, and when we live on the basis of such values, it leads to our happiness. So this value education should be natural and it should be naturally acceptable to all who go through this course. And when we go through this course, we follow it, we live on the basis of the values, they should give us happiness. This value education is not to be imparted on the basis of dogmas, beliefs or assumptions, or as it is written in the scriptures or as it has been said by the elders. Second thing, it is all encompassing. Value education is aimed at transforming our consciousness and living. It affects all the areas, all the aspects of our life. It needs to cover all the dimensions: thoughts, behavior, work, and realization. Our thought, our behavior, our action, our work, our existence, entire existence. And it is there to cover all levels: individual level, family level, society, nature, and existence of human life and profession. I think, yes, the 2 points should get universal. It needs to be applicable to all the human beings, irrespective of caste, creed, nationalities, religion, etc., for all times and regions. Just a minute, beta. खत्म कर रही हूँ मैं बस. Then universal, it is applicable to all the human beings, whether they are living in India or abroad, whether they belong to this religion or that, they were of 18th century or 21st century. Then rational, it has to appeal to human reasoning. You should not accept that yes, this is right just on the basis of that it has been said by the teachers or it is written in the books. This value education is verifiable on the basis of reasoning and logic. And the most important one is leading to harmony. The value education ultimately is aimed at promoting harmony within the individual, among human beings, and with nature. It means at all levels, within self, with family, with the society, and with nature. So value education is there to ensure harmony at 4 levels. And this is again one of the most important topics in your syllabus, harmony at various levels. Is it clear to you? If you have any doubt or any question related to these
Yes, ma'am.
basic guidelines, please ask. No questions? No questions, no queries. Good. But in next class, I will have questions.
Okay, ma'am.
Are you
Okay,
ready
ma'am.
to answer?
Yes.
Good.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, when we will have the midterm examination?
Please repeat.
Ma'am, when will we have the midterm examination? Midterm examination.
Midterm examination कब है?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके बेटा midterm examination का अभी कुछ ऐसा आया नहीं है बट आई थिंक फेब से पहले तो शायद नहीं हो पाएंगे. ठीक है.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
लेकिन अभी तक क्योंकि कैलेंडर अभी तक नहीं आया है तो इसलिए मैं नहीं कह सकती अभी हमारे पास कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं है. जैसी होगी विल इन्फॉर्म यू.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
इस सिलेबस के लिए आपको मिडटर्म एग्जामिनेशन की उतनी चिंता नहीं करनी है बिकॉज यू हैव टू लर्न दिस कोर्स फॉर योर सेल्फ, फॉर योर फैमिली, फॉर योर करियर, फॉर योर लाइफ, फॉर योर ओन हैप्पीनेस. ठीक है.
Okay, ma'am.
सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर द
Okay,
डे.
ma'am.
हु टुक द स्क्रीनशॉट? किसने लिया था पहले सेशन का? फर्स्ट सेशन का स्क्रीनशॉट किसी ने लिया था आपकी क्लास से? यस कबीर.
पता नहीं मैम किसने लिया था, मैं थोड़ा लेट ज्वाइन हुआ था.
अगर नहीं लिया है तो प्लीज इसका तो ले लीजिए. आई थिंक उसमें
Okay,
तो
ma'am.
काफी बच्चे थे. आई थिंक 46 स्टूडेंट्स पर देयर. अभी तो 37 ही हैं.
Okay.
अभी तक आपकी क्लास से किसी एक को फिक्स नहीं किया है? एक को रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं मिली है?
No, ma'am.
ऐसे क्यों बेटा? एनीवे प्लीज टेक द स्क्रीनशॉट एंड सेंड इट टू मी.
हम अभी तो 36 स्टूडेंट्स हैं ओनली.
ठीक है, अभी आप इनका ही भेज दीजिए.
ठीक है मैम.
Okay. So that's all for the day. See you in next class. Till then, please stay safe and take a good care of yourself.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
भाई स्क्रीनशॉट हो गया?
हाँ भाई हो गया.